How to join a meeting with an invite link on Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, get a link over here. Now I'm going to tap on Telegram because I've got a link for the meeting over here. So I'm going to tap on the Telegram over here and then tap on the meeting link. So here's the meeting link. So just tap on this meeting link, and as I tap on this meeting link over here, it will take us to a new page. So just select your profile over here, and as you tap on your profile, you can just tap on the join section. So when you tap on join, it will give the host the option to either get you an entry or not, or you can just, they can also gatekeep you. So if they give you an entry, then you can definitely get inside and you'll be able to be the part of the meeting, and you can join a meeting with an invite link like this on Google Meet. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.